Good morning. Welcome back in your maths class. Okay, as we are studying ascending and descending, ordering of numbers. So let's have revision. We have already studied this. The order of numbering when we go up from smallest to the greatest is called ascending order or increasing order. Either you say ascending or increasing order. Okay. Ascending order from smallest to greatest, from smallest to greatest. Okay, but descending order, when we arrange numbers from greatest to the smallest, we say they are in descending order. Either you say descending order or decreasing order. Till here we could discuss. Now in maths, as much practice you do, that much intelligent you will be. Okay, so math is the thing for only practice, and practice, that which makes you perfect. Descending from greatest to smallest. So let's have worksheet for that ordering of numbers. Put day and date, that is 22nd April 2020. Okay, write the smallest and largest. Here you will write smallest and there you will write largest. Okay, then from smallest to and the largest, you will just find out from there. There are 2-digit numbers. You have already practiced that one. Let's do once again. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones and tens. You'll start from tens. Left side से हम लोग start करते हैं. Okay, we start from left side comparing. Okay, 5, 5, 6, 2, 1. Which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So cut 1 and write here 16. 16 is the smallest number. And now the largest. What about the largest? Let's again comparing. 5, 5, 6, 2. Which is the greatest one? 6. So 62 is the greatest number. Before to write smallest or largest, you cut that one. It will be easier for you to find out. Okay, you do this one. Now there were 2-digit numbers, again 3-digit numbers. It is also very easy, but ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. Again ones, tens and 100. There are 3-digit number. So again we will start from left side. We'll start comparing from left side. 4, 5, 6, 5. 4, 5, 6, 5. Okay, this one is the smallest. So we'll cut this number and we'll write 456. That is the smallest. Okay, again we have to find out largest. Which one is the largest? Which is that 5, 6, 5. Okay, 5 is and 5 they are common. 6 is the bigger one. Okay, so we'll cut this number 650 and there we'll write 650. And the same way you will do this one and that. Okay, that all is your work now. You do it and show it to me. I'll check it, and again there will be homework for you. After doing this, that you will do it now. Ordering of numbers, 2 digits and 3 digits. Okay, and that will be your homework. Fine, isn't it looking nice? The flowers are here. What I have done? Flowers. What you have to do? Put HW in your notebook. Wednesday, 22nd April 2020. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending, you know, increasing smallest number to the largest number. Okay, find out the smallest number. Start from there, bigger from there, bigger from there. and the last biggest number. Okay, from smallest to the largest. Smallest number from left side. Okay, left side. Their number, petals in the flower, the numbers are there. See that? Compare that one. Left side number. Compare the left side number. 1, 2, 3, 7. Which is the smallest? Start from there. If 1 is smallest, write 132. Then after 2, 3, 7. 2 is the smallest. 289 is that. After that, when you will select any numbers for the smallest or to write here, cut that one. So 3 would be left. Again, if you select any one number, cut that. Again 2 would be left, so cut that one. It will be easy for you to write here. Okay, जिस नंबर को आप सेलेक्ट कर लोगे यहाँ लिखने के लिए, so उसे आप कट कर देना ऐसे क्रॉस. फाइन. जो भी नंबर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट. ओके, सबसे कम नंबर से सबसे ज़्यादा एंड देयर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर फ्रॉम मैक्सिमम नंबर. सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 907, 908, 980, 890. ओके, रीड इट वंस, ट्वाइस, थ्राइस. इसे बार बार पढ़ोगे, उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस करोगे. ओके, 8999. 8 is the smallest, 819 is the smallest, but don't write here because we have to write descending order. Okay, descending order मतलब सबसे बड़ा नंबर से सबसे छोटा, biggest to smallest, ascending smallest to biggest. You all know very well. I know my children are very smart, so they'll do frequently. Okay, so this is your homework. Don't do it now. That is why I made the separate videos. But now there are 2 worksheets. First worksheet, you'll do it now and show it to me. I'll check it. Another one, the homework. This one, you'll do it and you submit it afterwards. After the class would be over. Okay? That's all for today.